Hello aspirants, myself Meenakshi Pant and you are watching The Hindu Zone. In today's video, we are going to talk about Best Coaching Institute for Kerala Public Service Commission Examination, which is also known as KPCS. KPCS is Kerala's state level government exam. KPCS holds a +2 level exams to select candidates for various positions in Kerala administrative services. All applicants who have cleared the senior higher secondary exams are eligible to take the +2 exams. The candidate must have graduated from a university or other government approved institute with a bachelor's degree in any discipline. For the general category, the applicant has to have a 50% aggregate, and for the SC, ST, OBC category a 45% aggregate. The conducting body of KPCS examination is Kerala Public Service Commission. So this was all about KPCS examination's basic details. Now let's move towards the best coaching for KPCS examination. In the list of best KPCS coaching institute, at the first position we have Plutus IAS Coaching Institute. Plutus IAS Coaching Institute is the best coaching not only in Kerala but in the entire India. It is a prominent, trustworthy and most recommended coaching institute for UPSC and state PCS examinations. If we talk about the overview of Plutus IAS, we will get to know that Plutus IAS is known for its comprehensive approach to KPCS coaching. They offer both online and offline coaching, focusing on conceptual clarity and effective preparation strategies. Let's have a look at the key features of Plutus IAS. They have experienced faculty with a strong track record. Plutus IAS conduct regular mock tests and personalized mentorship. They focus on holistic development, including personality tests and interview preparation. Their comprehensive study material includes updated current affairs, and most importantly, their structured programs help students stay focused and organized, which is crucial for the extensive syllabus of KPCS. Second in the list of best KPCS coaching institute in India, we have Yojana IAS. Yojana IAS has unique teaching methodology and extensive resources tailored for KPCS examination. They provide interactive learning with a focus on problem solving and in-depth coverage of Kerala-specific topics. Yojana IAS also offers regular assessments to increase progress. Yojana IAS focus on regional issues and current affairs makes them particularly beneficial for those students who are looking to excel in KPCS examination. At this third rank, we have Gyanaj.com. Gyanaj.com provides a range of online courses and resources for competitive exams, including KPCS examination. Their platform is designed for flexibility and accessibility. Gyanaj.com provides affordable courses with quality content. Fourth in the list of best KPCS coaching, we have name of The Hindu Zone. The Hindu Zone is the online video lecture platform and a best career guidance platform. The Hindu Zone is an emerging coaching platform that offers guidance for various competitive exams, including KPCS, with a focus on mentorship and personalized study plans. The Hindu Zone provides one-on-one mentorship sessions. Their personalized approach helps candidates identify and work on specific areas, enhancing their chances of success in the KPCS examination. At fifth rank, we have Miracle PSC Coaching Center, which is located in Kerala's Kochi. It is easily accessible for Kerala's KPCS aspirants. It is known for its rigorous training programs. Miracle PSC Coaching Center offers a structured curriculum designed specifically for civil service aspirants, including those who are targeting for KPCS. Their comprehensive study material and test series are top-notch. Before choosing any coaching institute, remember, choosing the right coaching institute is in your hands, so choose wisely. Above mentioned, each coaching institute provides unique advantages, whether through specified resources, experienced faculty, or innovating teaching methodologies. A good coaching program not only helps in understanding the syllabus but also in developing the skill needed for effective examination strategies and time management. For watching more education videos, do subscribe our channel The Hindu Zone. Thank you.